Hi guys, welcome to a Hey Math group. Today I'm going to show you how to find the equation of the line tangent to any function when it passes through x equals something. So let's first understand what the heck is this problem. Well, look what's going to happen when you have a function such as negative x cubed, and when you draw that function that looks something like this, they want you to find the line tangent to it at a certain point. In this case, this point is going to be x equals 2. So let's say that I go 1 and 2, and then, I go down. Literally what they want us is to find the equation of the line that goes through the tangent. Remember, tangent means that it's going to touch only into one point. The first step is to figure out what we need. Anytime you need to find the equation of the line, you're going to need the slope. So that's the first thing I need, the slope. And the second thing that I need is the point. That means I need a coordinate x, y. All right, well, how do I find the slope? When you do calculus, they show you that the slope is basically the rate of change at a certain point. Well, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to find the derivative of f of x, which in this case is just going to be, I lower the 3, and this is going to be negative 3x squared. Now, I want the slope at that point. So once I have the slope, which is the derivative of the function, I'm going to plug it in, and that's the second step, f of 2 into the derivative, and that's going to be negative 3 and then 2 squared, and this is going to give me 2 times 2 is 4, so this is going to be negative 12. Beautiful. Now I have my slope. But don't forget, in order to build the equation of the line, you need a slope and a point. I do have that x is equals to 2, but I don't have y. You need to go ahead and find y. How do I do it? Well, the third step, you're going to plug that 2 into the original function. Remember, when you plug it into the derivative, that's going to be the slope. But when you plug it into the original function, that's going to give you this point right here, which right now I don't know what it is. I only know that it's at x equals 2, but I need to figure out the y. So I plug it into f of 2, and then this is going to be equals to negative 8. Finally, I have my slope and I have my point, which is 2, negative 8. Beautiful. The last step is just to build the equation of the line. Remember, you can build the equation of the line using y equals mx plus b, or the formula y minus y1. Whatever it is the same thing as you were doing it, when you were doing pre-cal or algebra 2. So this is going to be, I'm going to do it with the y equals mx plus b. So I say that y equals mx plus b. Then I plug whatever I have. I have negative 8 equals, then the slope was negative 12. Times 2 plus b, then this is negative 8 equals to negative 24 plus b, then I pass the 24 to the other side, and I get that this is equals to 24 minus 8, which I guess this is going to be equals to 16, and my equation of the line finally is going to be, look at this, I have the slope and I have the y-intercept. My final answer is going to be y equals negative 12x plus 16. Voila. The best way is to graph this function and then to graph this function, and you will see how that is the line tangent at that point. So as you can see here, we can see that our answer is correct. When you do the graph, you see here that this is the intercept, which was 16. Then when you do the line, and then you have the other graph, voila. At x equals 2, y equals negative 8, the line is actually tangent. And that's how easy it is. Please don't forget to watch our other videos. Also remember, you can Skype with us, and also thanks so much for learning.